Hello friends, so today video is very important which I want to create for affiliate marketers, those who are struggling for their income. So please watch this video till the end, and I'm going to share some strategy as well, and I also share you how you can make money from application. So stay tuned.
So let's jump into our computer screen and I'll show you how affiliate marketing people are doing and how much they are making in their leisure time. Okay, so please be serious and watch this complete video. Alright, here we go. So here you can see people are making this much, 6-figure in dollars, 7-figure income. Okay, $7 lakh. This was in crore, 1 crore, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In INR it is crore, $7 lakh. And there are many affiliate programs, but just not jump into it randomly, because whatever you do, only apply and poach only those things. These are test influencer affiliate marketing network to supercharge your affiliate income. PJ Affiliate, Avin, to check out. These are affiliate marketing. Another company. So why companies are becoming rich? Like Amazon, Flipkart, this called Blueprint.com, Prep.com, Yesim, Kiwi, all they are doing affiliate. Omeo, Viator. So just giving a overview and glimpse about typical companies are making money from affiliate as well, because nowadays advertisement is costly. Okay, so who promote their company, they provide them some commission. Some people are making bigger as well. So freedom success roadmap. How to make money from application? Simple, man. Just focus here. And so yeah, first and foremost thing is here, I want to make a people here in my community king of affiliate marketing. So I'm building my tribe, my community, how people can become rich in their spare time as well. If you are doing job, please do it as an in affiliate. Do affiliate marketing in your spare time, but be serious, okay? And because this is what I'm creating educational hub here. I'm creating coaches, trainer, teacher, consultant here through my education program. If you take action now, if you take Prime membership and my weekly training, every week I conduct a training. So the cost is approximately 8 lakh weekly training, but this will be as a bonus for you. Okay, if you still tune here till the last, please watch this complete video. Okay, there are other brands which are promoting affiliate program and are providing other services as well. Like you famous personality and YouTuber here. Bhuvan Bab, Kerry Minati, Vivek Bindra, Sandeep Maheshwari. So these are affiliate, also providing the affiliate program. Some these are international. Gary, Dan Lok, and Dan Lok is also promoting his coaching program. Shark Diamond, John Lee, Tony Robinson. So competition is there, but it's depend upon you how you make different from others. Okay, Leader Mentor, Instagram famous, Richard Branson, business tycoon, Dana Grazoi, motivational speaker, and also promoting his group and coaching services as well. So these are some influencers. Okay, now I'm giving you some amazing opportunity how you can make money from application. All right. So please watch this video till the end. So the application name is Zedpay. All right. Application name is Zedpay, and this is easily available in Play Store. Complete name is ZBAZAAR Solution Private Limited. This is Indian registered company. Their mission is to they regulate the usage of all recharge services and bill payment. So if you do bill payment, you can easily get cashback as well, and you can also create T. But I'll share the strategy later on. Okay. First, complete is the first just take an overview. Their vision is to bring maximum people using ZBAZAAR solution, means use their application and generate regular income. They have legal documents as well, PAN card, government proof IDs. Let me show bigger. Yeah. Income tax department. These are legal documents. Okay. Why join this application? The registration is free. Okay. Everyone, you can download it, you can explore it, but we need serious people, action takers only today. No admin charge, no hidden charge. That means if you do any traditional business, there you need to provide salaries every month on time. Okay. Salaries on time is the biggest main concern. Otherwise, no one will love to work with you. But here, no admin charge, no hidden charges, unlimited referral, you can do reference, multiple ways of earning, auto abundant fund. These are another called funds. So royalty income from bronze level, when you achieve, you will get your everyday royalty income, unlimited passive income, monthly reward income, annual tours, 100% legit company, followed government guidelines, no risk, no liability. Okay, no lag maintenance, no capping, no matching. In other companies, there are lots of terms and conditions which a person or which a affiliate marketer has to follow, but there is nothing. Nomination facility. Okay. So now nominee, you can enroll your nominee as well. Please enroll your nominee. 100% secure and transparent, easy to start, and best services they are providing. 24-hour support system, 24/7. So there is everyone dream. If you are not dreaming, dream it. Because I've seen a lot of people in jobs, people just dream about their promotion, but they are not getting increment on time as well. And they deserve much more income, but they don't get right increment or right plan. So time freedom, where most of the people are liking in traditional business and other businesses, I have seen people work 12 hours, 14 hours. If you are doing a 14-hour business or 12-hour business, I would call you are doing a job. Still, you're doing a job. So please don't fall into this illusion. And here, time freedom you can get luxury car. Definitely, if you are a car lover, definitely you can go for a luxury car. Luxury house. I've seen people are working just for a job as a survival income, and that's why they don't think about take things in a bigger perspective. So you can get luxury house fund as well. World trip also providing for those who are doing great here. These are some applications they have tie up. That Zedpay it's belong from them. They also have that one for education purpose. ZBAZAAR is shopping purpose, online shopping. So their services are mobile recharge, DTH recharge, fast trace recharge, electricity bill, loan, EMI, water, pipe, gas bill. So you will get commission here, cashback commission, and once your team will do, you will still get commission. Online shopping, ZBAZAAR mobile application. So let me tell you, if you do recharge from Phone Pay, they will charge you 3 rupees extra. If you do recharge from Google Pay, they will charge 1 and 2 rupees extra. But if you do recharge from Zed Pay, you have seen just now, few days back, plan recharge is now expensive. Of course, yeah, because inflation is increasing. companies has also increased their rate. They are no more any more cheap now. So here you will get 8%, approx 8% commission, or more than 8%, I would say. 8% commission cashback. Download it, create it, and log in it. I'll also provide in description. I'll also provide my joining link. Download this application, create an application, and log in. Why you should join me? Because I'm creating here education. I mean, good teachers, trainer, and good affiliate marketers here. And I'm also providing weekly training, which is very crucial to attend. Okay, if you really want to scale your business. I don't consider free services here. So once you join 1199 package, you will also get ebook bundle here. Here your commission will be low. Here your commission will be high. Of course, we will go for higher one. Types of income. So once you will do Prime membership, you will get bonus sign up bonus $5.99. Self mobile recharge and all 7%. Team mobile recharge and all 1.5%. Direct referral income, team level income, shopping commission, coupon cashback, daily royalty. If you have achieved bronze, you will get bronze level income. If you have achieved silver, gold, you will get all three: silver, gold, bronze every day income. Franchise income, reward and tool, MPI, monthly incentive, blah blah blah. Luxury house fund, which I have already told you. So mobile fund, bike fund, and luxury car house fund. So you will get 16 types of income. Okay. Prime user service commission here you will get. I'll give you overview later. So if you take Prime package, Super Prime package, you will earn 500 as a direct referral commission. Okay. So these are the advantage. Prime package level income. Of course, when you will join good 5 people, serious 5 people, okay? You do not need to chase people there. So you will make this much, and then gradually your team size, income size will definitely increase. Okay. So here you will get 20 deep level income. And if you do, go for a Prime, 500, 2,500 here. There is no capping limit, okay? And here in 10 area, you can generate 9 crore, more than 9 crore if you follow my system. The thing is, you need to follow right system with the right person. So if you direct 15 people, hire directly 15 people, you will become bronze, and you will get 2% daily royalty income. Okay, so this is increasing size. Your commission will also increase. You will also get, if you have achieved topaz, you will get this one daily royalty, this one also, this one also. Okay, monthly incentive are there. So those who will join me, I'll share this PPT with them as well. Atut Bandhan, financial support and company events and management. This much commission. You can also take franchisee. MPI bonus. This is coming soon. Benefit of bronze bonus. You get iCard, T-shirt as well. Okay, this much. 2% daily royalty, monthly income, incentive as well. These are a trip plan as well, monthly incentive. Benefit of silver rank. So these I'll talk about later on. These are some glimpses which I'm showing you. Laptop fund you will also receive once you will get the position. Bike fund you will also get. Car fund also you will get. Ruby rank, diamond rank. Okay. So these are the things. So thank you guys. Please take action now. And if you will take this action, definitely you will become something. As because my strategy are different here. I'm not doing affiliate marketing just for sake here. Okay, so yeah, be laser focused. And for today, if you will take action, Prime membership, go with the Prime membership, which is called 1199 cost, and just DM me. I'll help you out how you can take Prime membership here, and you'll also get bonus today if you will join it. Uh, every week I'll conduct a training for those who have joined my team. This is called Inner Circle Training. Inner Circle Training, where I'll teach you how you can grow your business or scale your business fast. Okay? No need to chase people, no need to phone and call again and again. No, nothing. Because this is how I don't do business like this. Those who are thinking about no investment plan, there is no investment business exists in this world, because business is called what? It is called exchange of values, exchange of money, product, services, exchange of time and energy. This is called what we call business. Okay? I've seen people, they look for lucrative offers and signing syndromes. They look for no investment plan. There's no investment plan. You have to invest in yourself. You have to expense. I mean, you have to borrow some tools sometimes as well. You have to pay sometimes salary as well. But salary given part is not included here, because here you are doing affiliate marketing. Company is taking care of rest. Okay. So yeah, this is it from my end. And please take action. This is amazing opportunity. Let me tell you that it will save you money from first day as a cashback. Okay. So yeah, if you have any question, please DM me or comment below. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind. Bye bye. Take care.